What's up, sweathearts? Welcome to tutorial for Juice by Lizzo. Let's get started. We're going to start with a little bit of a disco feel. So we're going to go ahead and pop that right foot, and we're going to have the hands right in front of us. Now the right arm is going to work first. It's going to go up, down, and we're going to bring the heel out, 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 out. So high and low, and high and low. And the left hand is just here. So it starts here, up and down, and up and down. We're on the diagonal. We're going to push the butt back with the hands, bring the hips forward with the hands, and then we're going to bring the arms around the other side to the other diagonal, and they're going to go, and the body is going to follow. So it's arms, chest, and hips. Bump, 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 bump. Kind of a little Roger Rabbit move there, or a little couch touch move. It goes round and hit. Now the left foot's popped, and the left arm's working. It goes up and down, out and around, switch. Nice and slow, it counts. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, pop, 8. To go left and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right, left. Let's see that face in the front. Right foot pops, we start. First we'll go slow. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 more times, a little bit faster, really working that head. It goes 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Next section, we're going to take it over to the right. We're going to take a little swim with the arm. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to bring that left knee in, and we're going to drop the head to the right with the right arm out. So it goes. Left arm works. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we switch. 5, 6, 7, and pick up 8 to go the other direction. So we're just bringing the knees in, and we're driving the car, pa, 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 pa. So nice and slow, putting those together. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 4 times of that, but in the third one we do something a little bit different. It says, like Chardonnay, getting better with time. And instead of driving the car, we're going to pour the Chardonnay once, taste it, and flick. So I'll show 1, 2, 3, which is Chardonnay, and 4. So we start here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here's the third one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pour and taste. Flick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'll show that coming from 1 into 2. We're on our fourth one here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, going right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pour and taste. Flick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're really working the head and the arm. Ta, 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 ha. All right, awesome. Time for the chorus. The feet are single, single, double. It's a little rock. It goes rock, rock, double, rock, rock, double. Now the elbows and arms are going to work shoulder, double, shoulder, shoulder, double, shoulder. It's a little 90s move. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And you can stir the hands a little bit, but really it's about the shoulder and the double. We go 1, 2, 3, and 4, left, pop, pop. Then we bring our arms back. We're going to bring that right leg up. 1, 2, double, right, left, right, double, left. On the first one, arms are just down. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's the juice. Then we go to the other side, starting with the left foot. Single, double, rock, rock, double. This time left knee starts, arms go back. Single, single, double, right, left, double, right. With the fingers, bringing up that juice. Let's see that face in the front. We did our final one. 5, 6, 7, chorus. Single, single, double. Single, single, double. Right, left, double, right. Left, right, double, left with arms. To go left. Single, single, double. Single, single, double. 1, 2, double left with the arms. Right, left, double, right. Pop. And when we do those knees up, we're really dropping the hips. So it's drop, drop, double. You can see from the side. Pa, pa, ta, pa, pa, ta. First time, arms are down, 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 and then up, up, up. Bring it to you. All right, second part of the chorus, we just came around. Bump, pump, double, right. Then we go. Push and push. So we're going from the back of the back and back of the back to the side. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to take it with the hips facing the diagonal, down and down. So the hands are up on the head, up opposition. Arms go out and out, down and down. So it's really down with the plie, kind of like in lip gloss, down, through, down, through. The first one is side, and then it's down and down. Then it repeats, right, left, double right, double left. Same direction again. Right and left, right with the hips, left with the hips, right, left, double right, double left. Let's see that face in the front. So we just did our second one. We went left, pop, 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 right, pop, 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 left, right, double left, right, left, double right. Here comes that tag. Slide, side, hips, hips. Repeat with the knees. Right, left, double right, double left. Same direction. Side, side, down low and up, down low and up, right, left, double right, double left, top, top. All right, we have one more section to learn. This is the little breakdown section. We're gonna walk it up, right, left, right, left. So it's slow, 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 slow. Don't worry about the arms are free. But we're gonna add a little something to the leg, kind of a funky, wonky chicken. So we're gonna go out, 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 out. So it's a knees, 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 as much as you can do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're gonna slide to the right, just with the right arm. 1, 2, flip the hand, 3, 4. What is the word? We're dropping the shoulder, 2. Keep that hand here, left side, we slide 5, 6, flip the hand, 7, 8. Then we take it back, wonky legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again to the right. 1, 2, flip the hand, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do that nice and slow, facing the front. The breakdown. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Take it back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, what? 5, 6, what? Breakdown. Funky chicken. 2, 3, 4, 5. Flip it. Pop, pop. Left. Pop, pop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We repeat with the chorus one more time, and that's all the choreography to Juice by Lizzo. Let's dance it.